Of course, whenever the Supreme Court speaks on anything, importanteng boses po yun at pinakikinggan ng lahat, pati kami sa Senado.
Meanwhile,
In a unanimous decision today, July 25, 2025, the Supreme Court en banc declared the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional. Therefore, the Senate could not acquire jurisdiction over the impeachment proceedings.
a few moments later.
Nadidisturb yung kaluluwa ko. Nakakadismaya talaga na may lumabas talagang ganong desisyon na hinahadlangan yung pagganap ng Senado ng tungkulin na solo sa amin inaatas ng konstitusyon, solo sa Senado, ay hahadlangan ng Korte Suprema, pinakamataas na korte.
In your letter ko, देखो कैसी बातें हैं यहाँ की।
Talo!